Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we're going to try to create a drawing of giraffe and elephant. So first we start with the rectangle and a curve. Let's add some other rectangles for the feet of the giraffe and also feet of the elephant. Let's add the neck and the head for the elephant. Don't forget the head of the giraffe. Let's add some details such as the ears. After that, add the nose of the elephant, and basically you're finished with your sketch. Just add in some more details for the other legs, and let's continue with the outline. All you need to do is just outline according your sketch, such as this. Maybe add some more detail, such as tail, eyes, and tusks, even the hair. Moving on to the giraffe, starting from the neck to the leg, the stomach, and the back. Continue with other details, the ears, the horn, and the head. Don't forget the eyes. Let's give it a smile. Next, add the detail of the pattern of the giraffe, such as this. We're almost done with the animals. Let's continue with the background. Add some bush and some grass. Let's also add a palm tree behind the giraffe, detailing the leaves, and maybe add some coconuts. Maybe a tall tree behind the giraffe for the giraffe to eat, and a background of a cliff behind the elephant. Fill up the sky with the clouds, and you're basically finished. All you need to do is color it. Well, now you can draw giraffe and elephant. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.